Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting transcription now. Open your sequence and pick the exact clip or whole sequence you want to transcribe. Once selected, go to Window, open Text, and click Create Transcription so Premiere analyzes the audio. Choose the correct language and whether to mix down to one track. This makes results more consistent. Do this first because accurate source selection and language settings directly affect word accuracy, and you'll save time fixing errors later. Once Premiere generates the transcript, switch to the transcript panel and scan for misheard words and timing issues. You should correct inline so captions match spoken text. Use Find and Replace for recurring misrecognitions. If there are multiple speakers, enable speaker detection or manually assign names to segments to keep clarity. Make sure timestamps align with cuts. Split or join transcript segments to match your edit so captions won't. After cleaning the transcript, create captions from the text panel and pick your export format like SRT or embedded captions for broadcast. Then style captions, font size, safe area placement, and max characters per line so viewers can read comfortably. Once done, export your sequence with captions or save the SRT file. If captions look off, rerun transcription using a mixdown or cleaner audio or manually correct stubborn lines. This fix resolves most accuracy problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.